Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Textme. So let's get started. First, open your Textme application. To sign up for Textme, tap on Create an Account button. Now just fill up the form. Once you're done, tap on the Register button. And this is how you can sign up for Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.